cricothyroid.
Ay, ano sa itong membrane?
Thyroid, cartilage, cricoid, cartilage, cricothyroid membrane.
Ang kanang nasa middle.
Sa middle.
Thyroid, cartilage, cricothyroid. Ay,
Cricoid cartilage.
cricoid, cartilage,
Thyroid membrane.
cricoid,
Dahil
thyroid.
pwede ako magpa-again. Please, okay lang.
Sino from the start daw?
Ibalik natin.
Okay na?
Okay.
Platysma muscle, sternocleidomastoid.
Sternocleidomastoid.
This one is your sternohyoid muscle.
Sternohyoid muscle.
Your sternothyroid muscle.
Sternothyroid muscle.
Your thyrohyoid muscle.
Thyrohyoid muscle.
This one here, dinilanda. Then here is your cricothyroid muscle. Your thyroid cartilage. Cricoid cartilage. Cricothyroid membrane. Pag nag-thoracotomy, tracheostomy, here ang for emergency, here for kanang permanent tracheostomy. Ano yun?
Tracheostomy.
Third C cartilage of your trachea.
Third C.
Okay, next. This one is your internal jugular vein. Internal jugular vein,
Si external, dili na
vagus,
Vagus.
vagus nerve, tapos common carotid artery. If this is your internal jugular, this one is your, this here is your thoracic duct. Thoracic duct. Okay. Then this one will be your phrenic nerve. Ulit.
Phrenic.
Vagus. Phrenic. Vagus. Phrenic.
Angel, ano yan dyan ito?
Prevertebral
Wala pa.
fascia.
Prevertebral fascia.
Mulang ba
Si thyroid, asa ka na si thyroid?
Thyroid gland.
Thyroid duct.
Duct, eh?
Ay,
Jal, thank you, Jal.